Children, now first class mathematics. What is our chapter? Third chapter. Numbers from 1 to 5. Numbers from 1 to 5. In previous class 2, this all will be completed. That part 1. Now part 2. Page number 16. Page number 16. Open it, children. Open your textbook and take pencil. Okay, take out, children. Take all of you. Take page number 16. Count the things on the left side. Page number 16. See bit. Page number 16. See bit. Open it, children. In the C bit to see, count the things on the left side. Match them with the same number of big dots on the right. See here, they are giving some things. Left side, right side what giving? Some dots will given. Yes? See here, what is this, children? Frogs only. See here. How many frogs are there here? 1, 2. So this example only given. So how many frogs having here? 1, 2. 2 frogs having. So in 2 frogs means 2 dots to match it. Okay. Are you understand? There are 2 dots. 1, 2. Like this only. We are matching now. Here, what is this, children? What are they? There are kites. These are kites only. Yes, kites. How many kites having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites having, children? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites having. See, children, now. What is this? Kites having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kites are there? 4 kites. So here, where having 4 dots? We are searching and match it. Okay. Here, how many having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So here 2, here 4 kites and 4 dots. We match it only. Next one. Here chili. How many having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many? 5. 5 dots were having. Their count, children, here. 1, 2, 3. Not there 5. Here only 1. Here 1, 2. 2 only. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here only 5. So here to here match it. Okay. 5 this one. Next one. What is this, children? Balls only. We are playing with balls. Yes. So how many balls having here? 1, 2, 3. How many balls having here? 1, 2, 3. How many balls? 3 balls. Where having 3 balls means 3 dots. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3. They are only having 3 dots. Match it. Okay. 3 balls and 3 dots. Okay. Next one. Here one house is there. Yes. Only One house. Where having one dot? There only one dot is there. So then big dot 2, there one house, match it. So can you complete it, children? Check it once. There 2 frogs and here 2 dots. 1, 2. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kites, 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dots. Next 5 chilies and 5 dots. 3 balls and 3 dots. 1 house, 1 dot. Okay. Next one. Count the things on both sides and match them correctly. Count the things on both sides and match them correctly. See here. How many things having here? 1, 2, 3. That number is 3. Here 2. 1, 2. 2 only given. This number is what? 2. This number 3. Here how many flowers having, children? Here count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. Here, what is this? Slate. How many slates having? Only one. Only one slate is there. Next, stars. How many stars having here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many stars? 4 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Are you understand, children? 3 balls. Here 2 triangles, 5 flowers, 1 slate, 4 stars. So here they are having 2 triangles. 1, 2. Here we'll count, children. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars are there. Here 1 slate. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. So here and here giving same numbers, but different places only given. So where they are and search and match it. Okay. 3 balls. Where having 3 balls? Here having. This side where having 3 balls? Here. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Match it. Are you understand? Good. Match it, children. Pencil to red. Okay, completed. Next one. Here 1, 2. 2 triangles is there. So this side we are having the 2 triangles. Here 2. Next one. 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers. So flowers we are having there. So match it. Next one, slate. How many slates? Only one. 1 slate. Stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. 4 stars. Here 4 star. No. Here. No. No. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Okay. Are you completed, children? Complete it. Okay, next page. Page number 18. Page number 18. Open it, children. Page number 18. What is this? O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. Say, all of you, read with me. O-N-E, one. Say, O-N-E, one. Look at the picture given below. Count how many of them each you see. So, write that number in the blank boxes given below. The first one has been written. See here. What is this? 1. O-N-E, 1. One. What is this? 1. O-N-E, 1. See here. This one. What is this, children? 1 cow. 1 cow. 1 buffalo. See here. 1 buffalo. 1 cow. 1 goat. See here. 1 girl. And here 1 hen and 1 small bird is there here. Here 1 goat. How many goats having here? 1 goat. 1 buffalo. 1 cow. 1 well. 1 tree. 1 house. Yes, children. 1 sun. Yes. See here, how many girls having here? Only 1. Hen? 1 only. Only 1. 1 only. Sun also 1. Goat also 1. So write, children, how to write 1? 1. Dot. We'll add it here. 1. Okay. Write with me, children. Take pencil and sharp it. Pencil, sharp it and write neat handwriting too. Don't write dirty handwriting. Okay. Write neatly. Sharp your pencil first of all. See here. Read and write. Write with me. Read also. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. Completed? Write all of you. What do you write? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 only. Okay. What is this? O-N-E, 1. 1 only. Okay. Next one. Next page. Page number 19. See in this page 2. There are 1. Read this. TWO2. TWO2. Look at the picture given below. Count each thing you see. Write that number in the blank boxes given below. So this is the forest, children. Here having one forest, I think. What are there? There animals only. Yes. What animals having in this box too? What is this? Lions. How many lions having here, children? 1, 2. How many lions are there? 2 lions. What is this? Elephants. How many elephants having here? 2. 1, Two elephants. What is this? Tigers only? How many tigers are there here? 1, 2. Two tigers. Here fox. How many foxes having here? 1, 2. Two foxes. Here, what is this, children? You know your friends this? No? What is this? Monkeys. Yes? Here, how many monkeys are there? 1, 2. This one, deers. 1, 2. Two deers. Here, you like this? In our school also having this, rabbits? Yes? Yes. How many having? Here, how many having rabbits? 2 rabbits. 1, 2. Two rabbits. Say, children, what is this number? 2. Say spelling TWO. 2. Say spelling TWO. 2. This one? 2. This all 2 only having? 2 animals only having? Yes. Right? 2. Here write, children. Add dots. 2. Read and write. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. So here 1, here 2. Okay, children. In next class 2 I will explain, children.